Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Ouzo Lou Garage. Today it's going to be Unboxing Monday, some auto detailing products, and plus at the end we're going to do some shout outs, a couple of channels, so make sure you watch the whole video. Check it out. What's cool too, we just got this actually today. And what's cool too, it came from Turtle Wax, sent us something. How awesome. And it's supposed to be some new products they have coming out that were released today. Let's open up and check it out and see what we got. We'll see. Hopefully this weather starts getting nice out. We can start getting some detailing in. Man, it just won't get nice out. Check it out, guys. Woohoo! Look at that. All right, let me move this box. Pretty cool. Hybrid solution. It's all black. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what we got, guys. All right, ready? Oh, that's pretty cool to have Turtle Wax send you some stuff. Oh wow, check that out. Heck yeah. So what we got? We got a hybrid solution ceramic black polish right there for black paint. Look at that. That's gonna be cool to test out. And also we got the hybrid solution ceramic black wax. Check that out. That's pretty nice, man. Oh, I like that foam. All right, we can nice test this out. I'm gonna have to find a couple black vehicles to test out. Plus, too, we can always take this to the junkyard. That's pretty awesome, man. That's a nice one. Thanks, Turtle Wax, for sending this. So this video is a sponsored video, and it'll be sponsored by Turtle Wax because they sent us this products. Even though we're not getting paid by Turtle Wax, but basically got paid by them sending us the products. That's the way I look at it. It's pretty cool. Why not? That's pretty cool. Check that out. All right, let's open it up and see. It looks like you can open up some more. Oh, wow, no way. That is awesome. Heck yeah. It's a Turtle Wax applicator. That's pretty sweet. All right, some buffing pads. Looks like you got a 6-inch and 5-inch. That's awesome. And then we got some microfiber towels to use with it. 2. And then we got a sticker. That's gonna go cool on the car. I don't know, the kid might take it from me. He's not my camera guy today. Oh, that's awesome. Let me fix this box. That is so cool. Let's check this out. All right, so we got, from my understanding, this is just like their other polish, but this is specially formulated for black paint right here. And then when we try it out, we'll go over it more, and I'll do a little bit more research, but it's basically black paint. And then we have their ceramic black wax, same thing right here, just like their other wax. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Ceramic, let's see what it says. It says increased depth and color in gloss, protection for black paint finishes. Yep. So basically you use this and use this. Plus, too, once you use this, you want to let it cure for 24 hours before you use a product like this. Not let your vehicle get wet. We'll go over that when we test these products out, but that's awesome of them to do that. That's pretty cool. All right, now before we get going with the shout outs too. All right, what's cool too, Turtle Wax sent me an email a couple of days ago, and what's nice is I can have a giveaway, and Turtle Wax is gonna give away a kit. I'm gonna have to email them and find out what kit it is. If it's gonna be their new product here for black paint, or this one right here that they sent us. Right here, I believe it's this one right here. This is the kit, because a lot of questions, a lot of people really like this kit right here also. So I believe it's this one. As soon as I find out in a couple weeks or so, we're gonna have we'll make a video, and we're gonna figure out what we want to do for, a comment and stuff like that. And then we'll have that video up for a few weeks, and then we'll have a giveaway, and you'll get one of these awesome products from Turtle Wax. And what my understanding is, you would give me your address, and you can do it through an email, and then I give your address to Turtle Wax, and you're gonna get it directly from Turtle Wax. How cool is that, to get something from Turtle Wax? So that's really nice of them to be able to we'll be able to share this products with you guys. It's pretty cool. I thought that was awesome. I'm just not sure which one, but I believe it's this one right here. Now this one too, even though we already have a lot of videos out on this line right here, those are the products I bought before I received this box. When the weather warms up, we still need to do some open this box up and use these on a vehicle. And I have a couple vehicles on mine and a couple friends of mine that their vehicles need a definite a good detailing, and we'll do that also for free for them. And we're going to use all these products right here on their vehicle. And plus too, on because I got to decon their vehicles, I'll be using different products to decon them. So hopefully if Turtle Wax is watching this, if they ever watch it, it'd be cool if you guys came out with like a wheel cleaner that you could use as an iron remover for paint, and you know, maybe like a clay bar too and a detail spray. That'd be kind of cool to look into. That'd be awesome. And then like you can you know, when you do videos like you can do every product that they have from start to finish, decon all the way till you're done with your polish or ceramic spray wax. That'd be pretty cool. Or wax. I thought that'd be awesome. I might have to email them that. But yeah, what do you guys think? So pretty cool, huh? These products, can't wait to test them out on a vehicle. And in the future we'll have a video for the giveaway soon, real soon. We're gonna do some research. Man, look at that. These pads too are made by Turtle Wax right here. Look at that. That is cool. Made in USA. Looks like maybe they're gonna start offering some pads. All right. Alright guys, now it's time for the shout out videos. Alright, first up is going to be Tony's RC Tech. I believe he's out in the UK. He does RC cars. He's done a lot of videos. You should see some of the videos he has. They're awesome. He even makes, you know, paints the bodies and that, makes them, they look pretty real too on his videos. They do a great job out in the, they're out in the woods and that, and they're going 4x4 with these RC cars. It looks great. I mean, the way they do the cameras, it's almost like a real vehicle. So I'm going to have these guys' end links in the description below. So make sure you guys check them out. If you want to tell them we sent you there, it's up to you guys. But check his channel out. And second channel is This Guy's Garage. Check his channel out. Right now he's doing a series. He's having a problem with this 2018 F-150. It's consuming oil. It's burning oil. He's doing a series on that too. And you guys check his channel out and watch his series about that. Great channel. He does auto body and some painting. He's got some videos like that, and he's basing all around car channel too. He throws his you know, things about anything about cars really, you know, junior dragsters, stuff like that for his kids, and that's pretty cool. You guys check his out. And third channel up is a detailing channel that I believe he just got over 1,000 subscribers not too long ago. Looks like he needs some watch time. Does great videos on using an AK foamer. That's pretty cool because with foaming, he'll do different tips and that. It's awesome. I'll have his link below too, and that channel is MMT Pro. Alright, so don't forget to check out those channels, Tony R's C Techs and This Guy's Garage and MMT Pros. He does detailing.
Alright guys, so if you guys are interested in winning whatever kit that they actually decide to give out, just stay tuned for the channel. You know, make sure you guys are staying watching the videos, so because we're going to be coming out with that video real soon. So if you want to see what's actually in this box right here, we actually have a video of that. So we'll have that at the end link. You guys can watch it and see what products are in there and the way it's set up. And in this box, which was in this video, you guys can see. So we really appreciate you guys watching. We love the feedback, comments, and all that from you guys. So, you know, just be sure to watch, you know, any of our other videos that you guys find interesting, and just thanks for watching.